I'm gonna put on another short. Like, subscribe, do all those things, and tap in. But we're gonna take all this jazz off. There are some people who have put on this Billetworkz short shifter with the Racer X shift. So I wanna put both on, okay? And I feel like it'll be fine. And if it's not fine, this video is gonna take a turn. So we are going to take this off, as you can see. Now, one of the things you need to do is they said you need to take off this little retaining clip here. That's what you gotta take off. All right, I'm gonna tap out this pin. There you go. And then this whole thing is out. There you go, pop that out. Okay, snapped in. This is all together now, as you can see. Now we have to take off this whole assembly to allow this thing to kind of go inside of the car. So we're gonna get this into place along with getting the inside of that cradle I showed you earlier. What's all short? That is, oh my goodness. Put all the console stuff back together. There it is.